Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying which account controls are blocking Rocket League. Most problems come from the platform-level settings rather than the game. Sign in to the primary account on the console or PC and confirm email access so you can receive verification codes. Once logged in, make sure parental or family manager roles are identified. This gives you the authority to change permissions. You do this now because changing child or restricted profiles later wastes time and may require additional verification steps. Next, you dive into the specific controls. On PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, or Epic, navigate to Family Settings and find app restrictions. Allow Rocket League explicitly or raise the allowed age rating to match the game. This ensures matchmaking, chat, and store access function. Once done, apply permissions to the exact child profile rather than a generic family group so settings propagate correctly. Make sure to save, and if the system requests, restart the console or sign the child out and back in to enforce the update. Finally, you confirm the solution by launching Rocket League and testing online features. Create a quick match, access crossplay options, and open the in-game store. If anything still fails, inspect device-level restrictions, parental control apps, or router filtering that can override console settings. Make sure none of those are active. If problems persist, create a temporary test child account to replicate the issue. This isolates whether settings or a corrupted profile are responsible, and it speeds up targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.